Hey guys, so today, let's learn how to fix this version of YouTube is out of date, or as well, not updated. So in this, if you want to go ahead and basically fix this issue, that your YouTube is not updated or is out of date, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to fix this issue, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and make sure that we are actually using the latest version of YouTube. So if you are having a hard time with updating your YouTube application, it is basically easy to do this. All we need to do, still launch the app stores and want you to go ahead and search for the YouTube application. And once we are already there, of course, that is going to show us if we have the latest version of YouTube. As you see, we do have an update available for our YouTube. So if you are still experiencing some issues like this, with your YouTube is out of date, of course, just go ahead and try to look for an update on YouTube on the App Store and tap on Update if it is available. Now, I do advise you guys to do this so that bugs like this or normal bugs would be fixed and you were gonna have the best user experience possible. Now, if in the case that you were still experiencing some issues after that, of course, you need to make sure as well that you have stable internet connection with your Wi-Fi. This could be a contributing factor as to why you are experiencing issues like this. So go ahead and double check your Wi-Fi. And if you still are having issues with your Wi-Fi, you could also go ahead and try yourself data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one, and take care.